Okay, so let's go to put this together, and you can see the rocker arms, instead of reaching and hitting the end of the valve, are hitting right here on the edge of that cup. So I am going to take a Dremel and I am going to gently make a notch in the edge of the cup there, ever so slightly, so that rocker arm goes down and hits the center of the valve instead of hitting the spring retainer ring. Alright, so you can see I cut a tiny notch in the cup in one spot, and I put that notch underneath the rocker arm, and now the rocker arm can contact the top of the valve properly. So now that I've sorted that tiny issue out, I'll be able to put the head on the T26, and with that full rocker arm motion, when the rocker arm was hitting the side of the valve cup there, it was releasing a little bit of tension on the spring, and it also was putting side pressure on that spring retainer, which could have bound that spring retainer and been holding the valves open occasionally. So this little refinement should help the T26 run a whole lot better. So I'm going to put the head on and check the valve clearance there, and hopefully that will be the fine-tuning of the T26, or the first stage of it.